Hey kids, what's up? Hey, look. Today we have something different. We have my electric guitar. Looks nice, huh? So today we're doing a song about the numbers from 1 to 10. So it goes something like 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, close the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. And 9, 10, do it again. But we thought the guitar is kind of a bit boring. So let's do a funky version. So get up on your feet and get ready to sing with me. Okay? So there it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4, close the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, do it again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, close the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, do it again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, close the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, do it again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, close the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, do it again. 'I hope you enjoyed it.